How to fix Wuthering Waves not launching on PC, startup problems fixed. So if you're having issues with the Wuthering Waves game, whether you're using Windows or macOS on your personal computer, and then you're having startup problems, the game is not opening or something like that. Now if you're using Windows, normally you go to Task Manager and check if the Wuthering Waves is still open in the background and end the task manually. If you're using macOS, you want to simply right click the Wuthering Wave game icon and hit the quit button manually. If this option is not working, the other way that you can do is press your Windows key and restart your Windows. If you're using macOS, hit the Apple ID logo and go to the restart button and restart your macOS operating system as well, and that should also help you solve the problem. Now if you're using on macOS, you might have downloaded Wuthering Waves from your app store, so make sure that you're always up to date on the latest Wuthering Waves version. If you're using on Windows, verify the integrity using the Epic Games launcher. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.